Looking for a reliable measuring tool that delivers precision every time? The Xtra-Value Digital Caliper offers an impressive accuracy of 0.001 inches, 0.03 m, and a resolution down to 0.0005 inches, 0.01 m. Whether you're tackling household projects or detailed DIY tasks, this caliper ensures you get exact measurements without the guesswork. What sets this digital caliper apart is its versatility. It measures inside and outside dimensions, depths, and steps using 2 sets of jaws and a depth rod. This means you can handle a wide range of measuring needs with just one tool, saving you time and clutter in your toolbox. Switching between inches and millimeters is effortless with a single click. Plus, the caliper lets you reset to 0 at any point on the scale, so you can start fresh measurements without hassle. This flexibility makes it ideal for users who work across different measurement standards or need quick adjustments on the fly. The Xtra-Value Cal features a durable stainless steel body paired with a bright, easy-to-read LCD display. The screen clearly shows your measurements, so you can avoid errors and speed up your workflow. Batteries come included, so you're ready to measure right out of the box. This set isn't just about the caliper itself. You also get a protective case to keep your tool safe during storage or travel, a County Route 2032 lithium battery, and a full 1-year warranty. Clear instructions are included, making it simple to get started, even if you're new to digital calipers. Users across the United States have praised this caliper for its precision and reliability. One top review highlights its usefulness for measuring while reloading, calling it an excellent product. That kind of feedback shows it's trusted by both hobbyists and professionals alike. If you need a measuring tool that combines accuracy, versatility, and ease of use, the Xtra-Value Digital Caliper is worth a look. It's designed to make your projects smoother and more precise, whether you're working at home or in a workshop. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your measuring game. With its solid build, clear display, and multiple functions, this caliper helps you get the job done right, every time.